Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming fit. Pick a ring terminal that matches the stud diameter and wire gauge because a loose fit will fail under vibration. Strip about 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation and make sure you do not cut conductor strands. Intact strands ensure full conductivity. Once stripped, insert the conductor fully into the barrel. Then, position the terminal in the correct crimper jaw, insulated versus non-insulated, so the crimp compresses metal, not insulation. With the terminal seated, align the barrel in the crimper groove and apply a firm, steady squeeze until the tool cycles. A partial crimp makes a weak joint. You want to see metal flow into the conductor strands, no visible gaps, so the connection carries current and resists pullout. After crimping, perform a gentle pull test. Tug the wire. It should not move. If vibration resistance is required once done, add a heat shrink sleeve or controlled solder joint for redundancy. You mount the ring terminal over the stud, add a flat washer when the surface is irregular, and torque to the manufacturer's spec so the joint stays tight. Make sure to protect against corrosion by using plated terminals or a thin dielectric grease. Corrosion increases resistance. If you encounter looseness or elevated resistance, stop and re-inspect. A high reading means either poor crimp or damaged strands. Re-strip a new length, re-crimp with the correct tool. Then repeat the continuity and pull test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.